Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Recently, Liang and I travelled up to Canberra to visit my sister for Christmas. And being the hyperactive freaks that we are, my sister's boyfriend Danny actually took us to his bouldering place in Canberra called BlocHaus. This place is super chill, the kind of place where you instantly feel welcomed. The staff were amazing, the check-in process was easy. Just enter your details on this little tablet thing and pay for a casual visit and you're good to go. Oh, and don't worry if you don't have any bouldering shoes, because they've got you covered with rentals that are actually clean and not smelly. A huge step up from the communal gloves at Muay Thai, right? What size did you get? Oh, that looks nice and snug. Can you do a little jig for me? Oh, very nice. So maybe I'm like 6.5 or something, or 6. Mine are like snug. It's actually a pretty cool place. Parkour! Oh yeah. Liang's having his first go.
When you finish, you should climb back down.
That was supposed. This looks pretty easy, Emma. Because this is not, like, this is going up that way, not this way. You want to try it?
Start with 2 fingers with 2 hands on it. And then you can just start climbing up. Just remember to put like 3.
So here's the deal with this bouldering gym. The routes are color-coded by difficulty. Blue is the easiest, perfect for beginners. Then it gets progressively harder with red, purple, black, yellow, and white. White is for the true monkey skill pros out there. Each route starts with grips that have arrows on them and ends with a grip that's marked with a stop sign. Simple, right? Well, in theory.
You can do it, Rach. You can do it. No, yellow. Have you done any yellows? I've never done any yellows, but there's no black. Black's too hard. Blacks are pretty hard, yeah. Like, they're all about technique, so you can't do both very well.
Go, Rach, go.
And jump on.
That was good. Yeah, that's high. That's like few and far between. That looks hard. Try this one.
Are you meant to use the... You can use the ball. It's really hard.
Good one.
Yeah, you can use the teal color one. Yeah, I didn't know, so I was doing this. Swing guys.
I mean, that's one way to go.
You're gonna try a red one then if you're...
What the hell? Oh, so it's kind of like monkey bars. Oh, yeah. Yep.
That's a black one.
What? So it's basically like your legs are hanging.
Yeah, but you have to put your legs like onto the...
Oh.
Onto the hole.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Crimping is when you're...
Crimping. Crimping?
Oh.
Look at this one.
Yeah. Where do you start? There's 2 hands on there. Like, start here. Do 1. And then... I guess you could do that.
Yeah.
But you can also probably do...
Oh, okay. Do you want to try it again? Give it a go.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing it.
So he went up to that side first. So put one leg up and then put your left leg up on that one. Yeah, yeah. And bring yourself up.
Make it so easy.
I know.
Hell?
Nice one. Left leg. Like, I'll just go very slow and just go one step at a time. So,
Yeah.
yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Leg.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go.
Both hands on it. Nice.
Tippy top. Good job. Oh, that looks hard. It's got like no grip. You have to like hold on to the front of it. What? Ah, nice. How do you even hold on to that? Ah, okay.
Tiniest little purple thing.
Yeah.
That's doable.
Whoa. So then the tippy top one is that tiny purple one up the top.
You just have to put like 2 hands on it.
2 hands on it and then it counts. Oh, okay. So all the stop signs is like the end. Gotcha.
Like this. There's one up there, yep. There's one on your left. Oh, you can use that one.
He's using up a body.
He's got the strength.
Oh, you can use that too, okay.
Oh yeah, that's right. You keep forgetting about that. Yeah, this looks like the hard part, like just holding on to the front of it. Yeah, you got it, Danny. So close. That one's actually quite easy. The left leg over to the other one on the other side. Yep. Grab higher. Yep. Drag yourself over. Yes, 2 hands. Yes. Yep. Nice. Oh, you're almost there. Almost there.
Nice.
Yeah, because it's starting so low. This course here took me a long time to finish, but hey, I was determined. And honestly, bouldering is just a mix of adrenaline and fear, especially when you're up high. Watching the footage back now, it looks deceptively easy, but trust me, in the moment, it is anything but. Oh, fuck. Yeah, let's go, Emma. Yeah, that's where I got fucked up too. Oh, shit. You got this. Swing it up. Oh, so close. Oh, oh. Oh. Oh, see, that's where I go wrong. I swing.
Bring your body in. Oh.
Come on. Oh, that's close. All right, we failed that one for now, but we're gonna come back for that one. Not defeated.
We did that one.
Yeah, we did that one over there. There's blue here.
Got this.
That was actually all right. I'm up. Yep.
switch. Yeah, good.
Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Boy. He just got the brute strength. Yeah. Let's go, Lang.
One across. Put your right foot up onto that.
Little purple one.
The one.
The big one. Big slanty, yep.
And now you got.
Push yourself up. You got it. Yeah. It's funny that like you can see where to go when you're back here, but then as soon as you're doing it, you're like, where's the path? Yeah, like where? Where do you even go? And that goes straight up to that top. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like where do you grab?
Such a workout. Yep. Oh, yeah. This is where you got to before. Then right leg up. Squidge it higher. Yep. Oh, okay. Yes! Let's go! Oh. Nice. Let's go, brute strength. Yeah, twist your hips over. Yep. Oh.
Almost.
Yeah, he puts it, so Danny put his left leg up where your right leg is, like underneath it. Yeah, that's it. Come on, get back there, get that, yes! Come on, yes! He's gonna jump. Yep. Up. Yes!
My advice, if it's your first time bouldering, take little breaks in between each of the routes that you try because you will start to feel your forearms burning out. And even if you train in the gym or do other sorts of sports, this is completely different. So for the next 2 days afterwards, I was struggling just to open and close my hands, pick up or do anything with my hands. I had DOMs in my rear delts, my lats, and my traps, and my triceps actually, so just be aware for your first time.
Yeah, nice, good. Thank you. Oh yeah. It's tight. Shall we do this little bluey next to it? It's like vertical. God damn. Nicely done.
Last one I just did like one
You just need.
Balancing the timer.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Is that upstairs?
Just over there.
Let's go, Lang.
One after lane. Are you gonna try to do it again?
I'll try it. Yeah.
And then feet on the
Both feet. Yeah.
straight up.
Yes. Nice. Easy qual. Easy qual. Oh yeah, nice.
And then you can leave yourself up.
You just spell it in slow motion. What the actual? That is so thin. I can't even see it on camera. Hey!
It's hard in the middle because
Come on, Naruto run. Dun 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 hup, dun 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 dun.
I get past halfway could be easy.
Liang, do you want to try and practice your grip?
My thing's slipping off.
Show me your hands.
My actual skin's sliding off.
Oh my god.
That blister's sliding off.
That is nasty.
Timing, 3, 2, 1.
That was about 6 seconds. I think if you were starting fresh.
Yeah.
But this is cool, like you can change the incline, you can light up different colours, which is pretty sick. They've actually got a gym set up here as well. Some more grip practicing, kettlebells, dumbbells. It's actually really cool. No, they're not. They're not sore. You got this. Yep. Good. Keep the pace. Keep the pace. You got this. Bring yourself up. Yes, good. Yes. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Yes. You did. Did you get that? I did. I did.
Emma and I gave it our best shot for our first time, and honestly, I think we did pretty good. It's all about having fun, and we definitely had plenty of that. Not to mention the more experienced climbers nearby were giving us really helpful tips and encouragement along the way, so that was super cool. Stay tuned for part 2 where we level up and tackle some red routes, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!